Welcome to this course on how to become a mortgage credit analyst. This is a step-by-step career guide for beginners. My name is Joe Correa, and I am very happy that you've decided to join us on this exciting journey into the world of mortgage credit analysis, which is actually very simple and interesting. First off, congratulations on taking the first step towards a rewarding career in the mortgage industry. Whether you're here because you're looking to start a brand new career, switch paths, or simply enhance your knowledge of credit analysis, you've come to the right place. You might be asking yourself, what exactly does a mortgage credit analyst do? As a mortgage credit analyst, your main role or goal is to help people get into their homes by determining whether they're eligible for a mortgage loan or not. You're going to analyze credit reports, financial documents, and assess the risk a lender will take on by approving that loan. You'll basically be the decision maker behind the scenes, which is a crucial job, okay? It offers stability and growth potential, so it's definitely very exciting. Now, what can you expect from this course? Well, this course is designed with you in mind, whether you're completely new to finance or just new to the mortgage world. We're going to take things step by step. We're going to break down everything into a way that's easy to follow and, more importantly, practical, okay? By the time you finish, you'll be job ready, confident, and equipped with the skills you need to land that first role as a mortgage credit analyst. Here's a quick look at what we'll be covering in this course. Introduction to mortgage credit analysis. You'll learn what the role involves and why it's so important. Understanding the mortgage loan process. From start to finish, I'm going to walk you through how mortgage loans are basically processed, which is very simple. Financial document review. You're going to master the art of analyzing credit reports, income statements, and other essential financial documents. Risk assessment. We're going to dive into the key metrics like loan-to-value ratios and debt-to-income ratios that help you assess whether the borrower can handle the mortgage payment or not. Compliance and regulations. You get familiar with the rules and guidelines that ensure loans are processed both legally and ethically. Job search tips. We'll end with practical advice on landing your first job, including tips on how to act in your interviews and make your resume stand out. Each section is packed with real-world insights, examples, and practical knowledge that you can apply directly in your future career. Now, why is this course perfect for you? One of the things I'm most excited about is how accessible this course is. You don't need any prior experience in the mortgage industry or finance. If you've got motivation and if you want to learn, that's all you need. And don't forget, you have lifetime access to all the materials, so you can go at your own pace. And if you simply didn't enjoy this course or just don't like it, in the first 30 days, you can request your money back. But I'm confident you're going to love it. Now, what are you going to get out of this course? By the end of this course, you'll be ready to step into a new role as a mortgage credit analyst. You'll be able to understand the ins and outs of the mortgage process and what lenders are actually looking for. You're going to have a strong foundation in financial and credit analysis, which are key to making informed decisions. Besides that, you're going to feel confident in your ability to assess risks and follow the regulatory requirements that keep the mortgage industry running smoothly. So you're ready to dive in? We'll start with an introduction to the mortgage industry and give you a clear understanding of what credit analysts do on a day-to-day basis and why they are so important. Thank you again for enrolling in this course. I can't wait to get you started. Let's make your career goals a reality. Click next, and let's get started working on that next lecture.